Hi. What are you doing? Jameson, can you say thank you? Thank you. Thank you. Can you say Elmo? Elmo. Can you say Papa? Papa. How about Gigi? Gigi. Can you say Papa? Can you say Nana? Say more? Oh, thank you. Can you say Daddy? Can you say... What does a puppy dog say? Huh? Ooh, ooh. What does a horse say? Neigh. Neigh. What does a sheep say? No. No. Baa. Baa. No. What does a duck say? Duck. Duck. What does a duck say? Jameson, look at me. Look at Mama. Can you say SpongeBob? No. More what? Can you say color? No. Color? Can you say Gus Gus? Gus Gus. Gus Gus. Can you say let's go? Say let's go. Say let's go. Say let's go. Can you count to 10? Can you count to 10? Jameson. Say let's go. Let's go. Can you count to 10? How do you count? Show me how you count. Okay, Jameson, can you say... Say SpongeBob. How about Gus Gus? Gus Gus. Can you say Cinderella? Can you say Cinderella? Hey, right here. Can you say Cinderella? Who is that, Jameson? Cinderella? Let me see her. Ooh, who is that? Cinderella. Cinderella? Where's her Gus Gus? Where's Gus Gus? Gus Gus? Yeah? Where is he? Gus Gus? Let's go. Where are we going? Go find Gus Gus? Yeah? I'm taping Jameson. Hey Jameson, can you count to 10? You want to play hide and seek? Can you count? Jameson, can you count? Can you cover your eyes and count? Okay, let's play hide and seek. Sailor, go hide.